So I'm here to fix a no crank, no start problem on this Chevrolet Cruze. I thought the problem was going to be as simple as replacing the tensioner belt since I knew that it had some slack for quite some time. Come to trying to find the 12-point nut in order to slacken this tensioner, and it's actually completely non-existent. So now I've got to go about the task of reinstalling this tensioner through the passenger side wheel well, since this is the easiest way to do it, instead of trying to reach up through this thin space between the engine and the frame rail. We can almost see where the back of the tensioner should mate up to the block of the engine. With our new tensioner in place and the belt routed, it's time to start this beauty. Once, of course, we reattach our battery cables and motor mounts. It definitely doesn't look the greatest, but at least it runs again.